to the ESAB Robotic Welding Center, and I have to quote Håkan when you had your presentation for the big event last fall in Luxor. There hasn't been one single day for the last 6 months that I haven't been thinking about this one. It's been a really fun period of time, and some challenges to get all the equipment right and organize things to get the facilities in order. But it's quite rewarding and pleasing to be here today and see all of you here. I want to thank everyone for taking the time and traveling, coming all the way to Gothenburg and participating in the event today.